Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you the latest and greatest in sprayer and combine tire technology, the Goodyear R14T. These bad boys are special because they are a crossover tire. We're all familiar with the tried and true. Great in the field, not so great on the road. This is where the R14Ts come into play. Thanks to their unique design of having bars, pads, and a flatter surface, these R14Ts are not just incredible in the field, they're also incredible on the road. Thanks to their flatter face, they sit flat on the highway, kind of like a car tire. So when you're going down the road, these things are super smooth. Compared side by side with the tried and trues, it's easy to see how much more center surface area the R14s have. And since they put this extra line of blocking here in the middle, you have more surface area for out in the field, but when you're going down the road, these also wear significantly less. And we all know the center this much takes all of the highway abuse. This is a disc-ripped field. Let's do a crank test. Are the two inside tires, and we hardly left a footprint. You can literally barely tell that I drove right there. Just for comparison, this is a normal tire in 2 inches of tillage. And these are the outside tires at full crank. 12 inches of tillage plus a full crank. Doesn't get much better than that. Another thing that's really cool about these tires is they have what I call side hill stickability, because these things have a ton of edges. On one bar, we have 1 edge, 2 edge, 3 edge, and we have a bonus edge. 4 edges per bar, where the old style has 1. I've ran these tires for a year, and the first time I drove them, I immediately noticed a difference. On the road, they are smoother, and on the field, they're somehow even smoother yet. Ladies and gentlemen, the R14Ts from Goodyear Titan.